this is Christine for Trinity Stamps. Today we have a sneak peek at the checkered background add-on stencil Shamrocks. So here it is in its packaging. It's meant to be used with the checkered background, but it can also be used by itself. So I'm going to use it by itself today, but I'm also going to show you a panel that I made with the checkered background as well. So you'll see it both ways. So it's one stencil, and you can use it any way you want. So here I'm speeding things up a bit. I'm going to add some green glitter paste. That's my favorite thing to use with stencils. So it's from Glitz, and it's a really pretty green glittery paste. And I've sped it up because it does take a while to put on. I only have a limited amount, so I'm trying to be really careful and get all the spots, but not use too much of it at the same time. The one thing you want to do is you want to make sure you clean up your stencil pretty quickly after using it. So here it is, and I'm showing you that they fit perfectly together. And there's a multitude of ways that you can use them. So here you can see they line up perfectly. Here's a background I did with the checkered background and the add-on. So here's the dry panel that we just made before, and I've die cut it to an A2 card size. And I'm going to keep the card pretty simple because the focus today is on the stencil. So here I have die cuts using the Stitched Shamrocks die set, and I've used two different cardstocks, a glitter and a dark green. And then here is the Simply Sentimental Lucky stamp and die set, and that's my sentiment that I'm using. So the Lucky was made with two dies, a shadow die and the part that cut out the word, and then the To Know You part is actually a stamp, and there is no die that comes with it, but I just simply die cut a little tag. So I'm going to adhere these all on the card, and I actually think it's really pretty just as is. Usually I like more things on my cards, but as I said, I kept this pretty simple, and I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. And it's a simple message, but it's really, it is so useful to give to anybody, to just make them feel, that you're lucky to have them in your life. So I definitely can give this card to a couple of people. So I have just double-sided adhesive, and I'm just going to adhere it on. You want to at least use glue or a very strong double-sided adhesive when you have used your stenciled background with paste, because not much will stick to the dried glitter paste. And I've propped up the Lucky with some foam squares. It's nice to just add a little bit of dimension to your card. And I love how it just pops with the black on the background. And then I just have also double-sided adhesive on the To Know You part. And this is pretty much it. So there's the card. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hope you like it, and I hope you like the new add-on stencil that Trinity Stamps is bringing into the shop soon. So thank you for watching.